What's up everyone? Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Today we're taking a look at Vechain and its recent price action, and make sure to watch the video till the end for a price prediction for the short and the long term as well. First things first, please smash the likes, subscribe and hit the bell icon. YouTube is not pushing crypto content out currently and our subscribers aren't getting notifications, so make sure to join our free Telegram to stay up to date with all of our videos as they are posted, links in the description. It really helps if you hit the like. We're posting 4 videos per day, so come back every day for daily updates and analysis. And make sure to comment down below for your chance to win a hardware wallet in our new monthly giveaway. We'd also like to thank you all so much for your support. We've just hit 10k subscribers, so make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, we've had many reports that our subscribers aren't seeing our content, and this is most likely because you haven't hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon with all notifications turned on. Give it a tap now, turn on all notifications, and you'll most likely see most of our videos being posted. Also, if you want to support the channel, make sure to tap that like, it really helps us out. We're posting 4 videos per day, so make sure to check back every single day for daily updates. So we're just taking a quick look at Vechain here, and as you can see, obviously we're still well broken out of this descending wedge that we have been stuck inside of here for a good while, and we're currently back testing it as support, aren't we? We've back tested it here, and we're sort of we're still rolling over obviously with the wider market, basically trying to find these levels of support, something like this. And then obviously we do have the level of support here at this wick here at around 5 cents. So we're currently making our way down here to this 6 cent support level that we've got here. Obviously that we've got the 5 cent support level as well. So it's pretty obvious in our opinion that obviously the market recently has been very negative. There's been a lot of negative bias in the market, which has led to cryptocurrencies in general just selling off. Obviously Bitcoin's been chopping it sideways. There's lots of negative news, and just generally a lot of FUD in the market and a lot of manipulation going on. We've basically been chopping it sideways now for about 2 months from what we can tell here. If we just take a look at how long it's been since we had the crash. We did have the crash on the 19th of May, and it is almost the 19th of July now, which is essentially 2 months of us chopping sideways like this. And this is most likely because, there's a lot of fear in the market right now, and everyone's really scared to get back in with much volume. I mean, you can see the volume here is just absolutely shot. The volume has basically been going down for the best part of 2 months. A lot of people think that the bull market is over and there's a lot less interest in cryptocurrency at the minute, which is pretty obvious considering how low the volume has been and just how the price action has been trickling to the downside. But it does look as though we are starting to form some decent patterns for Vechain. As you can see, obviously we did break out of this big piece of structure that we have noted here, this descending wedge, which is most likely forming something like this. And then obviously we've come outside of it now, back testing it as resistance, back testing it as support now, the previous resistance. So hopefully we can start to see that pick up to the upside and getting back into the middle of this wider channel that Vechain is in, because as you can see, ever since we had the March crash, we are inside this channel and we are just about to tap into that very oversold area. And you can see what happened in the last 2 times we had this very oversold area. In the March 2020 crash, we had this big bounce to the upside, and then we had this cooling off period before another bounce cooling off, and then hopefully we'll get that final bounce for the bull market, won't we? So the last time that this happened, when we hit oversold here, we did actually have a bit of a further correction to the downside here. If we just take a quick look at the chart, you can see that we got very oversold right here, as you can see here, and then we came all the way down again. But we did form this very nice, very clean bullish divergence where the RSI was making higher lows, even though the price action did roll over a little bit more here, from essentially around 1.1 cents down to around 0.08 cents. So we came down a little bit more, but then obviously we started to absolutely explode out the gates, didn't we? So if we do see this happen again, we could essentially see Vechain come down, tap into this oversold region, maybe come down a bit more, retesting some of these lows at around 5 cents, test the bottom of the channel, and then do start to get that pickup that we are looking for. Because obviously this price action can't go on forever, and we're not seeing any evidence of a bear market right now, which would be the only instance where we would say, okay, Vechain's probably going to break down out of the channel that we're in. But there's not actually any evidence of the bear market right now, and it's only going to take one huge pump for Bitcoin to the upside essentially for Vechain to start picking up. So if we take a quick look at our weekly time frame here, we are just still bouncing in and around this 50 moving average here. If we do start to close below this fully, then we will obviously have a bit more cause for concern. But in my opinion, we've still got about another month's worth of price action to rectify what's going on here. Obviously, we are in danger of losing the 55 here on our weekly time frame. And if we do get that bearish cross of the EMAs, that could spell a bear market. But in our opinion, as you can quite clearly see, obviously one big pump for Bitcoin could send Vechain back well up over 10 cents here, which would obviously invalidate all of this bearish structure that we are currently seeing. And as we said, we have broken out of this descending wedge here, so it's most likely that we're probably going to start seeing that pickup for Vechain pretty soon, especially considering how oversold we do seem to be getting. We actually haven't been at this oversold since the March crash, which is obviously ridiculous when nothing has happened. There's obviously just been a big correction for Bitcoin, but nothing really has happened at all. Vechain itself, still a top quality project. We do think it's going to do very, very well in the long term. So a quick look on the hourly chart just for a short-term price prediction. As we said, we do think that it's very likely now that Vechain is losing support, so it is probably going to roll over and retest this 5 cent level most likely pretty soon, because this 6 cent level, sorry, my goodness, and retest this previous resistance as support as well, like this. And if we do see Bitcoin continue to roll over, we could easily see Vechain coming down, maybe testing this 5 cent level as well, coinciding with the bottom of this channel, and then maybe starting to get that pickup, because obviously this can't go on forever. We are still in a bull market, and as we said, in the long term, we do think Vechain is going to do very well. So that's our update today, guys. We'd like to thank everyone for watching. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please let us know down in the comments section below. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you can keep up to date with all of our videos. Remember to comment down below and be subscribed to enter into our brand new monthly giveaway for a hardware wallet. If you'd like to support the channel more directly, please sign up to our Patreon via the link in the description below, or sign up to YouTube membership by hitting the join button right next to the sub below this video, where you can get access to our private Discord. We're offering coin calls, one-to-one access to us personally, insight into our personal portfolio, daily research of crypto assets with massive potential, and access to our brand new 100x portfolio. With so many benefits, you might as well check it out below. Don't forget to get 2 free stocks with Webull by signing up and then depositing $100 using our link in the description below. You can quite literally deposit the $100, get your 2 free stocks, and then withdraw the money. So there's no reason not to do that, and they could be valued all the way up to $1,600 each. But don't forget to actually deposit as well after signing up, otherwise you won't receive the second stock. Scammers get worse every day, so make sure to protect yourself and your crypto online with PureVPN. Sign up below for some big discounts. You can get access to block content and protect yourself from phishing scams with super low monthly payments and high quality speeds. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.